If you're seeing GoDaddy Error Code 18, don't worry, this is usually something simple that can be fixed with a few quick troubleshooting steps. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact process to help you get past the error and get back to your GoDaddy account or website as quickly as possible. Make sure to stay until the end because the last step often fixes issues that the first few steps don't. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. First, try refreshing the page. Sometimes the error is temporary, and a simple refresh is all it takes to reload the page correctly. If that doesn't work, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Open your browser and search for a speed test, then run the test to make sure your connection is stable and strong enough. If your internet is slow or dropping in and out, that can trigger loading issues and error messages on GoDaddy. Once you've confirmed your connection is working, move on to your browser extensions. In many cases, ad blockers or other extensions can interfere with GoDaddy pages and cause error code 18 to appear. To test this, click the browser menu, go to Extensions, then open Manage Extensions. From there, turn off any ad blockers or suspicious extensions and try the page again. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, stored cache files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can stop a website from loading properly. Open the browser menu again, go to Delete Browsing Data, select Cached Images and Files, and clear the data. After that, reload the GoDaddy page and see if the issue is gone. If you're still getting the same error, try opening GoDaddy in a different browser or on a different device. For example, if you are using Chrome, switch to Firefox or Edge, or if you're on a computer, try your phone instead. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with your browser, your device, or the GoDaddy service itself. In most cases, one of these steps will clear up error code 18, especially when it's caused by a browser conflict, a slow connection, or cached data. So to quickly recap, refresh the page, check your internet speed, disable browser extensions, clear your cache, and then try a different browser or device if needed. If this video solved the problem for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.